Morning guys, this is Amir Finches. Pretty excited this morning. We are on our way to Ang Mo Kio Kebun CC Songbird Community Club for one of the biggest competition organized by 3 organizers, Mr. Aing, Maren from Claw Club and Shama Club. So stay tuned guys. Here we have Stephen Low with us. Hi. And then we have the other 2 guys. Say hello, man.
Hey, hello.
Hi. And then we have all the shamas behind. Yeah, getting warmed up. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see what happens. Morning, guys. Looks like the zebra dove competition is going to start now. All the zebra doves are up on the pole, waiting for the organizers to start the event for the zebra dove competition, which is going to be held here. We are at Ang Mo Kio. They call it 159 largest bird arena in Singapore. So we have zebra dove today, and then we're going to have on this corner we're going to have shamas, the red-winged bulbul, and huame, China thrush. So stay tuned guys and watch the video as it get warming up. Yeah, pretty early in the morning. So stay tuned and watch the video. Well, the participants for the white eye category were asked to open their claws to warm up the white eyes. Same for the white rum shama. It's starting pretty early. Weather looks good, but hopefully it doesn't rain. Stay tuned and watch the video guys. Here we have the shama corner, the white rum shama. They're warming up their shama before the competition. Plenty of beautiful birds. Well folks, this is one of the biggest events organized by 3 organizers combining together. We have the shama on the extreme right corner, red-winged bulbul, and we have the China thrush. Keep watching the video guys, subscribe. Here we have the China thrush, just starting to get warming up. Participants are hanging their China thrush, getting warmed up now. Here folks, we have this table selling cages, zebra dove cages, white eyes. This can be used for white eyes or finches. Some of the songbird cage covers. It's all here down at 159, largest competition for this year. Here we have. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Here we have a buffet spread organized by the organizers and a community club, for a successful event. And everyone is having a sumptuous buffet lunch. This is what I call a competition. Yeah? Thank you for watching. Here we have the MP for Kebun CC, Mr. Henry himself, helping himself to a nice, sumptuous meal, together with some of the organizers, chairman from Kebun CC. And yes, it's a beautiful day. A lovely bird competition here in 159 Amokyo. So here we have, guys, wonderful gathering today, and later on he'll be distributing the trophies to all the winners for today's competition. Thanks for watching the video, guys. This is Amir Finches. The day ended well down at Amokyo Block 159, the largest bird arena here in Singapore. Three organizers, Claw Club Singapore, Mr. Eng, and not forgetting Shama Club Singapore. It was a joint event by three organizers, and the day ended up really nice. The weather was cooling, everything was nice, and I got to come back home with this appreciation plaque, which I'm very pleased with and very honored, and it was given to me by Mr. Henry, MP for Kebun Baru constituency. So thank you, guys. Stay tuned for the rest of you on my YouTube, and subscribe and enjoy my video of my sharing of songbird culture here in Singapore. Thank you for watching the video, guys.